Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, St. Gabriel, local and long-distance movers near me. Executing a long-distance move is the most difficult task to do. It requires more planning and more workforce to complete the shift, but if you decide to do it all by yourself, it may cause injuries to you and even lead to wear and tear. Also, while doing a long-distance shift, you will require a few permits and licenses. However, if you decide to hire a trained mover like 3 Movers, we'll take care of everything. And as we are a licensed firm, we share a good working relationship with local and federal authorities, so they have provided us with the legal permits to travel worldwide and complete the shift without any delay. While moving locally, people may prefer shifting on their own or getting help from family to load, unload, and resettle products, which may take time or injure you if you don't have any prior experience. That's why it's always recommended to hire a trained team of movers and packers like 3 Movers. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our St. Gabriel moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, residential moving, furniture moving, international moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.